Model objective question. In liquid drop model, the volume energy terms indirectly proportional to atomic number. दूसरा, in semi empirical mass formula surface energy is B negative. तीसरा, in semi spherical mass formula Coulomb's energy of this term depend upon a atomic number. चौथा, the semi spherical mass formula of volume constant in periodic energy terms is equal to A 33.5 megavolt for the even nuclei, B 0 for the odd nuclei, C minus 33.5 megavolt for odd nuclei, D all of these. पांचवा, odd nuclei are A 5 stable nuclei. छठवां, nuclei drop model explain successfully a fission process. सातवां, liquid drop model predict emission A alpha model alpha practice, B beta practice, C both. Liquid drop model produce A atomic masses, B binding energy, C both. नौवां, the Snell model predict a magic number. दसवां, the Shell model predict the even nuclei and ground state momentum or spin d0. 11वां, Shell model is unable to explain the energy C first excited state in even nuclei. 12वां, the Shell model explain the star stability D magic nuclei. Fill in the blanks. The total binding energy are different nuclei are roughly proportional to masses of nuclei. दूसरा, the liquid drop model fails to explain nuclear reaction involving very high energy. तीसरा, the electrostatic energy of nucleus is inversely proportional to A3 तीसरा, the electrostatic energy of nucleus is inversely proportional to तीसरा 1/3. चौथा, the nucleus A8O16 is a even nucleus. पांचवा, magic number nuclei are more stable than others. छठवां, the surface energy of nucleus is negative. Natural radioactivity. Reintroduction. The phenomena of spontaneous decay of a nucleus accompanied by the emission of alpha particle, beta particle or gamma rays is known as natural radioactivity. It could be either natural or artificial. Radioactivity was first discovered by French scientist Henri Becquerel in 1996. Incidentally, in the same way as X-ray were discovered by Röntgen in 1895, French scientist Henri Becquerel in 1896 accidentally discovered the phenomena of radioactivity when he took the photographic plate wrapped in black paper, placed a uranium salt on it and exposed it to sunlight. Developing the photographic plates, he found it to be foggy and darkened, indicating that the uranium salt has emitted radium in presence of sunlight, which could penetrate into black paper, a effect of photographic plate. In those days, it was thought that the phenomena was possible only in sunlight. When once again Becquerel got ready to repeat this experiment, but day was cloudy, so he put holes set up into table dryer. After 2 days, he developed these plates without exposing to sun. To his surprise, the photographic plates were still foggy. It becomes clear to him that the uranium salt always gives visible radiation, are able to ionize gases, and some part of radiation constant of fast moving charge particle. This was the beginning of the era of radioactivity. Soon afterward, Brice Curie and Marie Curie, working in the Becquerel laboratory, found two elements other than uranium which were also radioactive, the named ones as polonium and other as radium. The experiment of Rutherford and his co-worker found out three components in these trailing radiation. They called these components as alpha, gamma, beta and gamma particle. दूसरा फंडामेंटल लॉ ऑफ रेडियोएक्टिविटी, सोडी फैजान डिस्प्लेसमेंट लॉ. व्हेन ए रेडियोएक्टिव डिसइंटीग्रेशन occur with the emission of alpha and beta particle, the origin atom called the parent atom and change into something else called daughter. In 1913, Soddy and Fajan discovered a simple law known as the displacement law of radioactivity can be studied as follows. पहला, in all known radioactive transformation either an alpha or beta particle, never both or more than one of each kind is emitted by the atom. दूसरा, when a radioactive atom emits an alpha mass 4 and charge 2, it converts into another element of atomic number 2 less and atomic weight 4 less than that of the parent element. Of the place of the new atom is shifted to groups lower in the periodic table. 92 यूरेनियम 238 माइनस अल्फा 92 T 234. तीसरा, when a radioactive atom unit emits a alpha particle mass approximately 0 and charge minus C, it is convert into the other elements of atomic number 1 greater than the other parent element but the same atomic weight, and the place of the new atom is shifted one group higher in the periodic table. 92 थोरियम 234 माइनस 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन 0 91 पेरियम 234. In present time these rules are stated as follow. A algebraic sum of electric charge before the disintegration must be equal to the total charge of disintegration. B, the sum of the mass of number the initial particle must equal be the sum of the masses number of the final particle. दूसरा, law of radioactive disintegration. This law was established experimentally in 1902 by Rutherford and Soddy in Great Britain. According this law, पहला, there is an equal probability of the nuclei of all radioactive elements to decay. दूसरा, the rate of disintegration of radioactive elements is proportional to the number of nuclei present at the time. Mathematically we can write it as dn बटा dt proportional to n. Here n is the number of atoms present at time. dn बटा dt is equal to minus lambda n, where lambda is decay constant and proportionally and is known as decay constant of the elements. Negative sign indicates that the t increases, n decreases. Writing equation 2 as dn बटा n is equal to minus lambda dt. Integrating it we get समाकलन dn बटा n is equal to minus lambda समाकलन dt plus c, where c is integrating constant log base e n is equal to minus lambda t plus c. Applying the initial condition at t is equal to 0, number of atoms the radioactive elements n is equal to n0 log base e n0 is equal to minus lambda plus c is equal to log base e n0. By equation 4 and 5 we obtain log base e n is equal to minus lambda t plus log base e n0 log base e n बटा के n0 is equal to minus lambda t n is equal to n0 e के खाते minus lambda t. This equation shows that the number of atoms are given radioactivity substance decreases exponentially with the time, which is shown in figure 1. Figure 1 exponentially decay curve for 24 ने यह number of nuclei activity. The activity A of the radioactive nuclei is defined as the number of disintegration per unit time. A is equal to minus dn बटा dt is equal to lambda n. By disintegration equation we know that n is equal to n0 e के खाते minus lambda t. Putting in the above equation we obtain A is equal to lambda n0 e की घाते माइनस लेमडा टी, पुटिंग a इक्वल टू लेमडा एन जीरो, देन द रिलेशन कन्वर्ट इनटू a इक्वल टू a जीरो e की घाते माइनस लेमडा टी. दिस in this relation a0 is the activity at t equal to 0. The exponential factor shown that activity decreasing with this in the same fashion. N unit 1 SI unit of activity equal to 1 BQ equal to 1 disintegration प्रति सेकेंड. दूसरा द ट्रेडिशनल ऑफ एक्टिविटी सर्कल CI एंड क्यूरी रदरफोर्ड R 1 क्यूरी इक्वल टू 3.7 × 10⁻10 डिसइंटीग्रेशन प्रति सेकेंड इक्वल टू 3.7 × 10⁻10. BQ इक्वल टू 37 G BQ फर्स्ट रदरफोर्ड इक्वल टू 10⁻6 डिसइंटीग्रेशन प्रति सेकेंड इक्वल टू 1 M BQ का क्यूरी इन ए बिग यूनिट नॉर्मल एक्टिविटी ऑफ रेडियो एक्टिव सोर्स एंड डिफाइन इन द टर्म ऑफ मिली क्यूरी. 1 CI इक्वल टू 10⁻3 CI एंड माइक्रो क्यूरी 1 माइक्रो CI इक्वल टू 10⁻6 CI. हाफ लाइफ पीरियड इज द टाइम required to the number of radioactive nuclei to the reduce to half by disintegration. We know that the relation n equal to n0 e के घाते माइनस लेमडा टी if t बटा के 1/2 be the half life period, then at t equal to t half n equal to n0 बटा के 2 n0 बटा के 2 equal to n0 e के घाते माइनस लेमडा t1 बटा के 2 1/2 equal to e के घाते माइनस लेमडा टी सफिक्स में 1/2 ई खाते लेमडा टी 1/2 इक्वल टू 2 लेमडा टी 1/2 इक्वल टू log बेस ई 2 टी हाफ इक्वल टू log बेस ई 2 बटा के लेमडा टी हाफ इक्वल टू 2.3026 × 10 घाते 2 बेस 10 बटा के लेमडा इक्वल टू 2.3026 × 0.3010 बटा के लेमडा टी हाफ इक्वल टू 0.6931 बटा के लेमडा. हेंस हाफ लाइफ ऑफ ए रेडियोएक्टिव मटेरियल डिपेंड्स अपॉन द डिसइंटीग्रेशन on constant lambda. Mean average life as we have seen n equal to n0 e घाते minus lambda t have infinite times is required for the complete disappearance of radioactive material. One does not know which atoms of material is going to decay at a given instant of time. Individual atoms have lifetime of 0 to infinity because of this. Soddy in 1904 introduced the concept of mean or average life tau. The mean lives of radioactive elements in defined as the ratio of total lifetime of all the radionuclei of the total number of the nuclei in it. The means life of radioactive element is equal to sum of life of all nuclei but total number of nuclei. Suppose dn1 nuclei are decay in the time t1, dn2 nuclei decay in the time t2, dn3 nuclei decay in time t3, and so on. The means of our average life will be tau is equal to t1 dn1 plus t2 dn2 plus t3 dn3 plus बटा t dn1 plus dn2 plus dn3 plus this expression can be written in integral form. Tau is equal to 0 to n t dn बटा के 0 to n0 dn is equal to 1 by n naught 0 to n0 t dn चूँकि 0 to n0 dn is equal to n0 where n0 is equal to total number of radioactive atoms present initially. We write at n is equal to n0 e के घाते minus lambda t. Differentiating it with respect to t we obtain dn is equal to minus lambda n0 e के घाते minus lambda t dt. Now for t is equal to infinity n is equal to 0 and so for t is equal to 0 n is equal to n0. Therefore tau is equal to minus 1 by n0 infinity to 0 lambda t n0 e के घाते minus lambda t dt. tau is equal to lambda समाकलन 0 to infinity t e के घाते minus lambda t dt is equal to lambda कोष्ठक में t e के घाते minus lambda t बटा के minus lambda minus 0 to infinity 1 e के घाते minus lambda t बटा के minus lambda dt 0 to infinity is equal to lambda कोष्ठक में t e के घाते minus lambda t बटा के minus lambda minus e के घाते minus lambda t बटा के minus lambda square 0 to infinity is equal to lambda कोष्ठक में 1 बटा के lambda square tau is equal to 1 बटा के lambda. Thus this means tau of a radioactive substance in the reciprocal decay constant lambda. The law of successive disintegration. the parent's nucleus decay into a daughter nucleus which is also radioactive. The daughter nucleus will further decay into the another nucleus known as granddaughter. This series can continue in the stable nucleus is obtained. This whole process is known as successive disintegration or radioactive series. For example, 94 XC 140 बीटा डीके, 55 CS 140 बीटा डीके, 56 बेरिलियम 140 बीटा डीके, 58 LA 140 बीटा डीके, 58 CE 140 stable. In the study of radioactive series, it is important to know that the number of atoms of each member of the series as a function time. At any time t, let n1 be a number of atom and parents nuclei which decay with decay constant lambda 1 into the daughter nuclei. Let n2 be the number of nuclei of daughter element which is turn on decay a constant lambda 2 into the stable element which is n3 stable. The atom also assume that at time t is equal to 0, n1 is equal to n1 0, n2 is equal to n2 0, n3 is equal to n3 0. Now the rate of decay parents nuclei dn1 बटा dt is equal to minus lambda 1 n1. समीकरण नंबर 1, the number of atoms of daughter elements increases at rate lambda 1 n1 and at the same times of number decreases at the rate lambda 2 n2 per second. Hence the rate of decay of daughter element is dn2 बटा dt is equal to lambda 1 n1 minus lambda 2 n2. समीकरण नंबर 2, finally the growth of granddaughter is dn3 बटा dt is equal to lambda 2 n2. समीकरण नंबर 3, इंटीग्रेटिंग इक्वेशन 1 and applying the condition n1 is equal to n1 0 at t is equal to 0 gives n1 is equal to n1 0 e खाते minus lambda 1 t. समीकरण नंबर 4, putting equation 4 in equation 2 we obtain dn2 बटा dt is equal to lambda 1 n1 0 e खाते minus lambda 1 t minus lambda 2 n2 dn2 बटा dt is equal to lambda 2 n2 is equal to lambda 1 n1 0 e खाते minus lambda 1 t. Multiplying equation 5 by e खाते lambda 2 t we have e खाते lambda 2 t dn2 बटा dt plus lambda 2 n2 e खाते lambda 2 t is equal to lambda 1 n1 0 e खाते minus lambda 1 t e खाते lambda 2 t d बटा dt n2 e खाते lambda 2 t is equal to lambda 1 n1 0 e कोष्टक में lambda 2 minus lambda 1 t. इंटीग्रेटिंग इट विथ गेट n2 इसको e खाते lambda 2 t इसको lambda 1 बटा lambda 2 minus lambda 1 n1 0 e खाते lambda 2 minus lambda 1 कोष्टक 1 t plus c where c is constant integration at t equal to 0 n2 equal to n2 0 c equal to minus lambda 1 बटा lambda 2 minus lambda 1 n1 0 plus n2 0. Substituting c in equation 7 we obtain n2 e खाते lambda 2 t equal to lambda 1 बटा lambda 2 minus lambda 1 n1 0 e खाते कोष्टक में lambda 2 minus lambda 1 कोष्टक में t minus lambda 1 बटा lambda 2 minus lambda 1 n1 0 plus n2 0. Dividing by e खाते lambda 2 t we get n2 equal to lambda 1 बटा lambda 2 minus lambda 1 n1 e खाते minus lambda 1 t minus lambda 1 बटा lambda 2 minus lambda 1 n1 0 e खाते minus lambda 2 t plus n2 0 e खाते minus lambda 2 t n2 इसको lambda 1 बटा lambda 2 minus lambda 1 n1 0 क्वेश्चन में e खाते minus lambda 1 minus e खाते minus lambda 2 plus n2 e खाते minus lambda 2 t. इक्वेशन नंबर 8, पुटिंग फॉर n2 इक्वेशन 3 वी गेट dn3 बटा dt इक्वल टू lambda 2 क्वेश्चन में lambda 1 बटा lambda 2 minus lambda 1 n1 0 क्वेश्चन में e खाते में lambda 1 minus e खाते में lambda 2 t क्वेश्चन 1 plus n2 e खाते में lambda 2 t. इंटीग्रेटिंग इट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t वी गेट n3 इक्वल टू lambda 2 समाकलन lambda 1 बटा lambda 2 minus lambda 1 n1 0 क्वेश्चन में e खाते में lambda 1 t minus e खाते में lambda 2 t plus n2 e खाते में lambda 2 t dt plus d where d is constant of integration n3 is equal to lambda 1 lambda 2 बटा lambda 2 minus lambda 1 n1 0 क्वेश्चन में e खाते minus lambda 1 t बटा minus lambda 1 minus e खाते minus lambda 2 t बटा minus lambda 2 plus lambda 2 n2 0 e खाते minus lambda 2 t बटा minus lambda 2 plus d. सिंप्लीफाई वी गेट n3 is equal to lambda 1 lambda 2 बटा lambda 2 minus lambda 1 n1 0 क्वेश्चन में e खाते minus lambda 2 t बटा minus lambda 2 minus e खाते minus lambda 1 t बटा minus lambda 1 minus n2 0 e खाते minus lambda 2 t plus d. इक्वेशन नंबर 9, at t is equal to 0 n3 is equal to n3 0 we get d is equal to n1 0 plus n2 0 plus n3 0. Putting D in equation 9 we get n3 is equal to lambda 1 lambda 2 बटा lambda 2 minus lambda 1 n1 0 कोष्टक में e के खाते minus lambda 2 t बटा lambda 2 minus e के खाते minus lambda 1 t बटा lambda 1 minus n2 0 e के खाते minus lambda 2 t plus n1 0 plus n2 0 plus n3 0 n3 is equal to n3 0 plus n2 0 कोष्टक में 1 minus lambda e के खाते minus lambda 2 t कोष्टक 1 plus n1 0 कोष्टक में 1 plus lambda 1 बटा lambda 2 minus lambda 1 e के खाते minus lambda 2 t minus lambda 2 बटा lambda 2 minus lambda 1 e गाते माइनस lambda 2t। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 नंबर ऑफ न्यूक्लियाई ऑफ पेरेंट n1 daughter n2 and granddaughter n3 at the given instant of the time t calculated using equation 4 8 and 10 special case when only parents nuclei are present at t equal to 0 n1 and n2 is equal to n3 is equal to 0 putting these value in equation 4 8 and 10 becomes n1 is equal to n1 0 e खाते minus lambda 1 t n2 is equal to lambda 1 बटा lambda 2 minus lambda 1 minus n1 0 क्वेश्चन में e खाते minus lambda 1 minus e खाते minus lambda 2 t 12 n3 is equal to n1 0 क्वेश्चन में 1 plus lambda 1 बटा lambda 2 minus lambda 1 e खाते minus lambda 2 t minus lambda 2 बटा lambda 2 minus lambda 1 e खाते minus lambda 1 t 13 by the above equation 11 12 and 13 we can compute the number of nuclei of the parent daughter and granddaughter assuming granddaughter v stable we can instant of time figure 2 we have plotted the number of nuclei of parent daughter and granddaughter versus t assuming initial at t equal to 0 only parent nuclei exist parent granddaughter daughter decay of parent decay of growth of daughter and growth of granddaughter nuclei radioactive equilibrium using equation 11 12 and 13 we can define two types of equilibrium in depending upon the decay constant first case in when lambda 1 is much less than lambda 2 when decay constant of parent nucleus is very small compared to the daughter nucleus second is lambda 1 is less than lambda 2 these two cases are known as secular and transient equilibrium respectively permanent and secular equilibrium for lambda 1 is much less than lambda 2 for t1 is less than greater than t2 where t1 and t2 are half leaf of parent and daughter nuclei lambda 2 minus lambda 1 is equal to lambda 2 e के साथ minus lambda 1 t is equal to 1 using the value of equation 12 n2 is equal to lambda 1 बटा lambda 2 n1 0 क्वेश्चन e के 1 minus e के साथ minus lambda 2 t it is compared of half daughter t is less than t2 and e के साथ minus lambda 2 is much less than 1 in this case the above equation becomes n2 is equal to lambda 1 बटा lambda 2 n1 0 since the half of the parent nuclei is much larger than the t so n1 0 almost remains constant n1 0 is equal to n1 therefore n1 lambda 2 is equal to n1 lambda 1 is equal to constant from this equation it is obvious that the amount of daughter n2 is always constant because n1 lambda 1 and n2 lambda 2 and constant since n2 बटा n1 is constant and the daughter is said to be in permanent or secular of long term equilibrium with the parent similar argument is true for daughter nuclei similar if we consider that the daughter is unstable and they decay is granddaughter then it is written as n1 lambda 1 plus n2 lambda 2 plus n3 lambda 2 from this equation it is clear that produce of number parent nuclei and its decay constant is always constant some example of the secular equilibrium 38 SR 90 बीटा डीके 39 Y 90 बीटा डीके 40 ZR 90 88 रेडियम 226 अल्फा 86 RU 222 अल्फा 84 PO 218 in figure 3 we can have plotted this versus number of atoms parent daughter and granddaughter nuclei for 90 SRD के in figure 4 we have plotted the active of parent daughter and total active parent and daughter activity versus time a plot this versus number of atoms in parent daughter and granddaughter 90 SRD के daughter है granddaughter है parents है number of nuclei parent plus daughter activity parent activity daughter activity 90 SR to 90 Y to 90 ZR A plot of activity of parents, daughter and parents plus daughter versus time of 90 SR decay. Transit equilibrium in case lambda 1 is less than lambda 2 and RT1 is greater than T2. The number of daughter of nuclei must be calculated using equation 12 for small t. For this case, where t becomes sufficiently large and the factor e minus lambda 2 t becomes very small compared to e minus lambda 1 after this time a state equilibrium known as transient equilibrium in reach neglecting e minus lambda 2 t in comparing to e minus lambda 1 t. The equation 12 becomes n2 is equal to lambda 1 bata lambda 2 minus lambda 1 n1 to 0 e minus lambda 1 t. n2 is equal to n1 lambda 1 bata lambda 2 minus lambda 1 n2 minus n1 is equal to lambda 1 bata lambda 2 minus lambda 1 constant. Some example of 140 ba beta dk 140 la minus beta dk 140 ce 132 te minus beta dk 132 I beta minus dk 132 xenon. In figure 5 we have plotted time versus number of atoms of parent, daughter and granddaughter nuclei for 140 ba dk 0 100 200 300 time number of dk 10 100 1000 parents, granddaughter, daughter. Transient equilibrium for 140 ba and 140 la. Initial we start with 140 ba. In figure 6 we have plotted the activity of parents, daughter and total activity parents and daughter activity versus time. Parents plus daughter activity, parents activity 140 ba to 140 la to 140 ce. Figure 6 a plot activity of parent, daughter and plus parent plus daughter versus time of 140 ba decay. Non-equilibrium case. In case the above condition is circular and transient equilibrium are not made when we do not approach equilibrium. Some example of this case 83 bi 210 beta decay, 84 po 210 beta decay, 85 80 210. The time of showing figure 7 0 200 600 इतना है. नंबर ऑफ न्यूक्लियाई पेरेंट्स 50 टाइम 150 210 BI टू 210 PB टू 210 80 ग्रैंड डाटर. ए प्लॉट ऑफ नंबर ऑफ न्यूक्लियाई ऑफ पेरेंट्स, डाटर एंड ग्रैंड डाटर वर्सेस टाइम डिस्प्लेशन नॉन इक्विलिब्रियम फॉर 210 BID के. बेसिक आइडियाज अल्फा गामा बीटा एंड गामा डी के. The experiment of Rutherford and his co-worker found 3 components in the penetrating radioactive. They called these components as alpha, beta, gamma particle. Later on, a particle were defined for He nuclei, beta particle as electron and gamma particle as high energy nuclear decay mode. Alpha, beta, gamma, beta decay, beta plus decay, electrons, alpha gamma decay, internal conversion, internal pair convention, various decay mode of radioactive nuclei. Photon. Later studies discovered total of 3 modes of beta decay. They are electron emission beta minus, positron emission beta plus, and electrons capture. Similar gamma decay is found to have 3 different decay modes. They are gamma emission, internal conversion and internal pair creation. The various decay modes of a radioactive nucleus are summarized in figure 8. Theory of emission of alpha particle and radioactive nuclei. Certain radioactive substance emit alpha particle as a means of increasing the stability by reducing their size. An important question arises: why do the radioactive nuclei emit alpha particle 2He4 rather than proton themselves? The answer lies in the fact that to escape from a nucleus, a alpha particle must have sufficient kinetic energy. Now the mass of alpha particle is sufficiently smaller than the mass of constituent nucleus. There is formation of alpha particle within the nucleus. A sufficient energy is released with which is covered into kinetic energy of alpha particle, except on the other hand proton in order to escape would require the kinetic energy to be supplied far outside when alpha particle is emitted from a radioactive nucleus is following conversion law of must be obey conversion law of linear momentum. Let the parent nucleus of mass m suffix p at the rest decay into the daughter nucleus of mass m suffix d, which is emission to alpha particle of the mass m suffix a. Then from the principle of convergence of linear momentum, initial momentum is equal to final momentum m suffix p equal to 0 is equal to m suffix d v suffix d plus m suffix a v suffix a, where v suffix d and v suffix are velocity daughter nucleus and alpha particle must be equal and opposite momenta. Convergence charge of non-nucleus number in analogy with the all nuclear reaction, the total charge and the total number of nucleon must be conserved in alpha decay. In A, the nucleons number and Z is the number of parent nucleus, then ZPA tends to Z minus 2 D minus 4 plus 2 HE4, where P and D refer to parents and daughter nuclei. It obvious from a above equation that the sum of atomic number and nucleon number on two sides are equal. तीसरा conservation law of energy in alpha Einstein mass energy relation holds if E suffix में A is the kinetic energy of alpha and E suffix में D of daughter nucleons, according to principle of conservation of mass energy m suffix में P c square is equal to m suffix में D c square plus m suffix में c square plus m suffix में D plus E suffix में. Properties of alpha particle. पहला alpha particle is 2He4 nuclei with 2 units for positive charge and mass of 4 amu. दूसरा because they can charge unit particle, so they can be affected by electric and magnetic field. तीसरा they ionize the medium through which they pass. Their ionization power in much higher than beta and alpha ray. चौथा because of high ionization they can easily absorb the few centimeters of air on fraction the millimeter thick aluminum. पांचवा natural occurring alpha emitter emit alpha with the energy of range 5 megavolt to 10 megavolt. छठवां alpha particle when falls on the material like zirconium, beryllium, platinum etc emits flash on the light called scintillation. This property scintillation was initially used detected alpha practical. सातवां long exposure to alpha emitter produce harmful effect of human body. Beta decay. We have already seen figure art one of the mode of radioactive decay in beta emission. In the three types of decay produced and encountered. पहला nucleus decay of electron emission. The process is known as beta minus emission. For example 6C14 7N14 plus minus beta decay plus Vi. दूसरा the nucleus decay positron emission. This decay is known as beta minus beta plus decay. For example 11Na22 tends to 12 neon 22 plus beta plus V. तीसरा nucleus capture one of the its orbital. This process is called electron capture. The for example 14 25 Mn54 plus beta minus 24 Cr54 plus V. This disintegration are also called isobaric transformation, as this is no in the mass of nucleus, but there is charge number of charge 1 by units. बराबर condition for spontaneous emission of beta minus particle. Beta minus decay represented by the general equation Zx a z plus 1 y a plus minus 1 e 0 plus b plus 0 n1 is equal to tends to 1 h1 plus minus electron plus v bar. Let mx my suffix में m suffix में e with the rest masses of parent nucleus, latter nucleus and electron respectively. Suppose that the parent's nucleus in the rest let k suffix y and k suffix e can be kinetic. energy of daughter nucleus and electrons respectively using the law of concentration of energy. We have m suffix में x c square is equal to m suffix में y c square plus m suffix k suffix में y plus m suffix में c square plus k suffix में e. In this equation we have neglected the energy carried by neutron k suffix में e. In beta decay, total energy involved in shared by nucleons, beta minus particle and neutrino in all possible proportional. Here we consider special case neutrino earn zero kinetic energy k suffix y plus k suffix में equal to q question में m suffix में s minus m suffix y minus m suffix में c square 1. For spontaneous decay, Q must be positive, m suffix में s greater than m suffix में y plus m suffix में e. Thus, for beta minus emission rest mass of the parent nucleus must be greater than the sum of rest masses of the daughter nucleus, and the electrons in m of z and m of z plus 1 are the rest masses of the parent and daughter nuclei. Then m of z is equal to m suffix में x plus m suffix में e z. m कोष्ठक में z plus 1 is equal to m suffix में y plus m suffix में z plus 1. In writing this equation, we have neglected the binding energy of the electrons. Rearranging the above equation, m suffix में x is equal to m of z minus m suffix में ez, m suffix में y is equal to m of question में z plus 1 minus m suffix में e question में z plus 1. Putting these value in equation 1, we get q is equal to question में m of z minus m of z plus 1 c square. Therefore, beta minus decay will occur whenever the masses of parent nucleus is greater than that of the daughter nucleus. In other words, nucleus decay by beta emission in the heavier than another atoms with z greater than by 1 but having same a condition for spontaneous emission of beta plus particle. Beta plus decay represented by z x a, z minus 1 y a plus 1 e 0 plus v 1 h 1 tends to 0 n1 plus 1 e0 plus v. As in beta decay, the disintegration energy q and beta plus decay is given by the relation q is equal to k suffix में y plus k suffix में e, m suffix में s minus m suffix में y minus m suffix में e question c square. If f of z and m of z minus 1 are the rest masses as parent, daughter and nuclei, then m of z is equal to m suffix में x plus m suffix में ez, m suffix में m question में z minus 1 is equal to m suffix में y plus m suffix में e question में z minus 1. Rearranging the above equation, m suffix में x is equal to m of z minus m suffix में e z, m suffix में y is equal to m question में z minus 1 minus m suffix में e question में z minus 1. Putting this value in equation 1, we get q is equal to m of z minus m of question में z plus 1 minus 2 m suffix में c square. For beta decay, q must be positive. Therefore, beta plus decay of nuclei occurred only if the mass of greater than the sum of the rest mass of nucleus with same a and z less by 1 and twist the rest mass of an electron capture. This produce the represent by equation z x a plus minus 1 e 0 equal to z minus 1 y a plus b plus 1 p plus 1 plus minus e to 0 n 1 plus b. Proceeding in the term way as beta decay, this disintegration energy for this process q of m of z minus m question में z minus 1 c square. Therefore, for electron capture to occur, mass of parent nucleus must be greater than the mass of nucleus with same a but with z by 1. न्यूट्रिनो थ्योरी ऑफ बीटा डीके. In 1934, Enrico Fermi developed a quantitative theory of this process, quantum mechanics. By that time was well known as Fermi applied a formalized to decay process Albert in a very novel way. In this, it is known that the quantum mechanics is perturbation, the presence of external electric of magnetic field in a system can cause transition from one state to another. Fermi description of beta decay process for similar with one notable difference, whether as perturbation in non-relativity quantum mechanics cause transition for one state to another for the one momentum state to another from one energy state to another. There is a overlapping principle. Particles are neither created or destroyed. The perpetuity introduced by Fermi was novel in respect since the perturbation technically called the interaction Hamiltonian containing operator which could destroy the neutrons and at the same time create the proton as the electron and antineutrino. In modern language, the beta process in which two types n is tends to beta p plus electron minus plus beta bar p tends to n plus electron plus v inverse beta decay. We see that electron captured by a nucleus proton is equivalent to a proton emission of a positron. Similarly, the absorption of antineutrino is equivalent to the emission of neutrino and vice versa. The latter reaction is called inverse beta decay. P plus v bar is equal to n plus e bar plus n plus v tends to p plus e gamma decay. Alpha and beta decay of radioactive nucleus usually have the daughter nucleus is the an excited state in excitation. Energy available with the daughter nucleus is not sufficient for further particle emission. It loses it exchange energy by following process gamma decay. Internal pair convention. Gamma decay takes place more often than the two process gamma decay. Suppose a nucleus is higher excited state with energy E sub I, it makes the transition to lower energy and state E sub F or class energy del E HV is equal to del E is equal to E sub I minus E sub F. If E sub F is ground state for nucleus, no further emission of gamma decay photon will make place, otherwise the nucleus will emit one of more gamma decay ray photon before reaching to ground state. During gamma decay, mass and charge of decayed nucleus does not have change. For example, consider 137 CS nucleus decay scheme of 137 CS beta minus 95%, 662 beta minus 5%, beta beryllium 137 CS. It emits beta minus particles and the resulting nucleus 137 beryllium is the left excited state which emitted a gamma ray on 662 kV. This total energy decay represented by the diagram called decay scheme of 137 CS is shown in figure. Now about 95% of 137 CS nuclei decay was beta minus emission in the first excited state with energy 662 kilovolt for 137 beryllium. Remaining 5% of 137 CS nucleus decay by beta minus emission of ground state of 137 Ba. The excited state of 137 Ba, which is denoted by putting star on the Ba ion 137 Ba star, decay the ground state of emission of 662 kilovolt gamma ray. This decay is also written as 137 Ba star tends to 137 Ba plus gamma. Remember, gamma decay is two body problem, produce and decay nucleus and gamma ray, and therefore the gamma ray spectrum is a line spectrum or discrete spectrum. Properties of gamma rays are electromagnetic wave just like X-ray or visible light. They always travel with velocity of light irrespective to the energy of gamma ray. तीसरा, they do not cause any appreciable ionization and are not defeated by electrics or magnetic field. चौथा, gamma ray have high penetrative power much larger than the alpha or beta particles. Internal conversion. The excited nucleus can perform transition to a lower state either by emitting a gamma ray or by transferring in energy directly to the electrons surrounding the nucleus. This process is which nucleus directly transforms with its energy to one of orbital electrons by which of the orbital electron is ejected from atom is known as internal conversion. The ejected electrons are known as convenger electrons. The kinetic energy E sub में E or conversion electron is given by E sub में E equal to E sub y minus I sub B. Here E sub y is the energy available with the nucleus and I sub B in the binding energy of the electrons in particle cells. Thus the kinetic energy of conversion electron is unique internal pair convention. We know that if the excitation energy of gamma ray is greater than 1.002 megavolt, this gamma ray is absorbed in the medium and the electron positron pair is created. It has also been shown by Perrier and Nitsky that its excitation energy for nucleus is greater than 1.002 megavolt is greater than 2 m sub 0 c square. The nucleus may be excited by creation of electron positron pair somewhere is on Coulomb field. Such a process is in which nucleus deexcited by injecting an electron position pair it 1 Coulomb field is known as internal pair convention. This process is a completely process with gamma emission and external conversion, just like gamma emission conversion है E sub 0 equal to 2 m c square plus E यही है. Example to calculate half time means life radioactive substance of the which constant 428 × 10⁻⁴ पर ईयर खंड 2006-2009 में दिया है. मीन्स वैल्यू टी इक्वल टू टी सब इसमें इक्वल 1/λ इक्वल टू 1/428 × 10⁻⁴ ईयर. टी सब इसमें इक्वल 2336.4 ईयर. हाफ टाइम टी इक्वल टू 0.693 × टी ए टी इक्वल टू 0.693 × 2336.4 ईयर इक्वल टू 620 ईयर्स. एग्जाम्पल 4 हाफ लाइफ रेंडम 3.8 डेज. आफ्टर हाउ मेनी डेज विल 1/10 वाज द मास ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल सैंपल सब्सटेंस बिहाइंड. 2002-2005 में दिया था. सॉल्यूशन इन इनिशियल एट टी इक्वल टू 0 द नंबर ऑफ एटम एज रेडियोएक्टिव एलिमेंट इज n0 एंड द नंबर ऑफ एटम लेफ्ट टाइम t टू बी n इक्वल टू n0 e खाते माइनस लैम्डा n बटा n0 इक्वल टू 0.1 इक्वल टू बटा 10 1/10 इक्वल टू खाते माइनस लैम्डा t इक्वल टू log 10 0.693 बटा t इंटू टी इक्वल log e t इक्वल टू 0.693 बटा लैम्डा t इक्वल टू बड़का t बटा 0.693 log बेस e 10 t इक्वल टू 3.8 बटा 0.693 2.3 log बेस 10 t इक्वल टू 12.63 डेज. 1 ग्राम ऑफ रेडियम 226 has an activity in 1 curie. Determine the half life of radium given Avogadro number 6.02 × 10⁻23. Sodium. The solution the activity R of radium substance is the rate of disintegration of its atom given R equal to minus dn बटा dt equal to lambda n equal to 1 curie equal to 3.7 × 10⁻10 डिसइंटीग्रेशन प्रति सेकंड n equal to n0 e खाते में lambda d बटा dt equal to minus lambda n0 e खाते में lambda t equal to minus lambda n dn बटा dt equal to minus lambda dt dn बटा n equal to lambda dt equal to 0.693 बटा t into dt equal to 0.693 बटा 700 × 4 × 10 खाते में 3 dn बटा n equal to 3.96 × 10 खाते में 6. The mass number of nucleus is always less than its atomic number. D sometimes equal to its atomic number. A radioactive sample with a half life of 1 month carries the level activity equal to 2 microcurie on the 1.891 was of the activity 2 months later be 0.5 microcoulomb. The activity of radioactive sample is measured as 9750 counts per minute at time t equal to 0 and 975 counts per minute t equal to 5. The decay constant is approximately 0.461 per minute. The half life of radioactive substance is 140. Initial its mass is 16 gram. In how much time will its mass reduce 1 g? 560 days. ए रेडियोएक्टिव सब्सटेंस डिसइंटीग्रेट्स टू 1/64 ऑफ इनिशियल वैल्यू ऑफ 60 सेकेंड। द हाफ लाइफ ऑफ सब्सटेंस 10 सेकेंड इन द रिएक्शन जेड एक्स ए Z+1 ए वाई Z-1 A-4 Z-1 A-4 में है क्या है बीटा अल्फा गामा। When the radioactive 88 radium 228 decay in series by emission of 3 alpha particle and beta particle isotopic family formed 83X216 a gamma ray photons will energy 1.52 megavolt produce electron position pair. The kinetic energy of each pair 0.25 megavolt. The decay constant lambda of a radioactive sample is the probability of decay of nucleus per unit time. C. Lambda is independent on the age of nuclei. A radioactive elements can decay simultaneously by two different modes with different decay constant lambda 1 and lambda 2. What is the effective decay constant lambda on the element? A lambda is equal to lambda 1 plus lambda 2. In the above question 10 if the means leaves the two decay modes are T1 and T2, then the effective means life T element is C 1/T is equal to 1/T1 plus 1/T2. What is the percentage of radioactive material will decay one lifetime? 63%. 57 cobalt 50 will emit electron capture radiation. A thorium nucleus is formed when uranium nucleus emit an alpha particle atomic number of thorium is 90 A90. 15 when alpha particle capture an electron becomes C a helium ions. The penetrating radiation of following is gamma ray. 17 half life radium is 1600 years. The initial mass of 1 kg. Then find the amount of radium left after 4800 years 0.125 kg. 18 the transuranic elements has atomic number greater than 92 2004 में पूछा था। 19वां द एवरेज लाइफ ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन इज 1000 सेकेंड इट्स हाफ लाइफ विल बी 693 सेकेंड्स 2005 में पूछा था। 20वां मीन्स लाइफ ऑफ रेडियोएक्टिव सब्सटेंस इज ए शॉर्टर देन इट्स हाफ लाइफ। 21वां द रिलेशन बिटवीन डीके कांस्टेंट लैम्डा एंड हाफ टाइम टी एंड रेडियोएक्टिव सब्सटेंस 2007 में दिया था। लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू log base e 2/t। 22वां विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रेडियोएक्टिव सब्सटेंस इज यूज ग्रोजियल सर्वे 6C14। 23वां जिंजर न्यूटन लॉ log लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू a log r प्लस b। 24वां अल्फा पार्टिकल आर बी आयोनाइज्ड हीलियम एटम्स। 25वां रेडियोएक्टिव decay neither the atomic number nor mass of number change which of the following would be emitted in the decay process? B neutrons। 26वां the decay constant of radioactive sample is lambda. The half life and means half the samples are respectively given by lambda बटा log base e 2 and 1 by lambda। 27वां the half life period of radioactive sample depends upon 2004-2011 में दिया था टेम्परेचर प्रेशर नेचुरल ऑफ सब्सटेंस नॉन ऑफ नेचुरल ऑफ सब्सटेंस पे है। 28वां न्यूक्लियाइड ए विथ मास नंबर m एटॉमिक नंबर n डिसइंटीग्रेटेड इमिट एन अल्फा and 1 beta particle. The resulting nuclide B has the mass of and number atomic number represents m+4 and m-4 and n-1। masses of isobar 29 Cu 64 and 30 Zn 64 और 63.92 it conduct from these data that the Cu 64 radioactive decay to Zn 64 through beta decay. An artificial radioactive decay series begin with unstable 94 Pu 241. The stable nuclide obtained after 8 alpha decay and 5 beta decay is 83 Bi 209. Which of the following is correct statement? Beta ray are same as cathode 33वां 1 ग्राम रेडियोएक्टिव एलिमेंट रिड्यूस टू 200 mg in 10 days, then the mass of sample at the ends of another 10 days is 40. 34वां a neutrino is emitted by beta decay. 35वां after 4 half life the undecay part of radioactive material will be 6.25 2011 को दिया था. Radioactive was discovered by Becquerel. Complete. Nuclear reactions. The process of bombarding a target nucleus by fast moving projectiles and subsequent interaction between the two which offer composite energy etc. Our target nucleus is known as nuclear reaction. This is known as transmutation of elements into another. Suppose a target nucleus X is bombarded by particle alpha. During this process a new nucleus Y is formed and a particle or gamma beta is emitted. Then the nucleus reaction is written as A plus X tends to Y plus B. For example 2He4 plus 9 beryllium 9 tends to 6C12 plus 0N1. The first nuclear reaction was performed by Rutherford 1919. He bombarded nitrogen gas alpha particle obtained from nucleus natural radioactive source. The reaction 2He4 plus 7N14 tends to 8O17 plus 1H1. Type of nuclear reaction. Following are some the main type of nuclear reaction. Elastic scattering. In elastic scattering the incident particle strike the target's nucleus and leaves without loss of energy, but in its direction may change. For example 79 AU 197 plus 2He4 tends to 79 AU 197 plus 2He4. The target of nuclear remains unaffected. दूसरा इलास्टिक स्कैटरिंग. इन इलास्टिक स्कैटरिंग द इंसिडेंट ऑफ पार्टिकल लॉस ए पार्ट्स ऑफ इट्स एनर्जी इज एक्साइटिंग द टारगेट न्यूक्लियस इज हायर अलाउ एनर्जी लेवल. द excited nucleus later decay to ground state radiation. The energy in the form of gamma ray photons. Example 3Li7 plus 1H1 tends to 3Li7 plus 1H1. 3Li7 tends to 3Li7 plus gamma. तीसरा radioactive capture. Here the incident particle is captured by target nucleus and a new nucleus is formed. The nucleus is general has a considerable exchange of energy and decay with the emission of one or more gamma ray photon. Example 6C12 plus 1H1 tends to 3N13 tends to 7N13 plus gamma disintegration. Here the incident particle is observed by the target nucleus and the ejected particle in a different one composition. The resultant nucleus is also different from the parent nuclei. For example 4 beryllium 9 plus 2He4 tends to 6C12 plus 0N1. Photo disintegration. When target material is bombarded with radiation, the resulting compound nuclei are usually formed excited state. These nuclei generally get rid of the exchange excitation energy through neutrons emission. For example 1H2 plus gamma tends to 1H1 plus 0H1. This requires a phonon of energy 2.225 megavolt. Conservation law of nuclear reaction. In the nuclear reaction certain physical quantities never change during the reaction. We say that these quantities are always converged in the nuclear reaction. Sum of conservation law of under conservation of mass energy. In a nuclear reaction total energy of reaction must rest mass plus kinetic energy. Consider a reaction A plus X tends to Y plus B. If K suffix में A and K suffix में B or K suffix में Y, the kinetic energy of A comma B comma Y respectively, then K suffix में A plus M suffix में A C square plus M suffix में X C square is equal to K suffix में Y plus M suffix में Y C square plus M suffix में B C square. Assuming target nucleus X is at rest, initial conservation law of linear momentum. In nuclear reaction total initial momentum must be equal to the total final momentum. Assuming the nucleus of target in at rest, the momentum brought into nucleus by the projectile with disturbed among the product conservation charge atomic number in a number. Total charge reaction must be equal to the charge of product 13 Al 27 plus 1H1 11 sodium 24 plus 3 1H1 plus 0N1. Here the total reagent 13 plus 1 is 14, total energy product is 11 plus 3 1 is 14. Conservation law of nuclear mass number. In the a number reaction, total number of nucleus and before after reaction remains the same. Nucleon cannot be created nor destroyed in a number nuclear reaction. For example, 92 यूरेनियम 235 प्लस 0N1 टेंस टू 56 बेरिलियम 143 प्लस 36 क्रिप्टॉन 90 प्लस 3 0N1. There are 235 plus 1 is equal to 236 nucleus before the reaction of 143 plus 90 plus 3 गुणित 1 236 nucleons after the reaction. Conservation law of angular momentum. The total angular momentum J is the vector sum of spin angular momentum and S relative orbital angular momentum L of the two sides must equal. Conservation law of spin. These laws state that if the vectorical sum of spin of the reactant in an order integral multiply of h by 2, then the vectorial sum of spin of product must also be an odd integral multiply h by 2. For example, 0N1 tends to 1H1 plus minus 1 is 0 plus V bar. Since the spin of the particles involved the reaction is 1 by 2, so left hand side spin 1 by 2 and the right hand side can have 1 by 2 or 3 by 2. This statics is law of conservation spin. Conservation of static spin 1 by 2 particles follow Fermi-Dirac statics with integrals. Spin particle follow Bose-Einstein statics. If the number of particles are reactant is odd, then the number of product particle must be odd, so reaction follow the Fermi-Dirac statics. Similar, if the number of particles involved as reactant is even, then the number of product particle must be even, so reaction follow Bose-Einstein statics. For example, 13 एल्युमिनियम 27 plus 2 He4 tends to 15 P30 plus 0N1. Total mass of the right hand side and right hand side is 31, so both follow as Fermi-Dirac static. Conservation of parity. The total parity nuclear reaction must be conserved. No violation of parity conservation has been reported in nuclear reaction based on Stongley reaction. Conservation of lepton number. Lepton number of reaction must be equal in the product. For example, 1H1 tends to 0N1 plus E plus V. For left band side the equation there is no light practice, so the lepton number is 0 on the right hand side. Positron and lepton number -1 while neutrino lepton number is +1, so the total lepton number is right hand side is -1 plus 1 equal to 0. Cross section nuclear reaction. A question often arises that when some projectiles are bombarded on a target and interaction or reaction between these two takes place, then how many nuclei are taking part in the reaction? In this number is small or large depending upon the number of probability of a particular reaction became small or large. There must be quantitative measure of this probability. This quality should be easily measured of and theoretically calculatable, so that we compare the experimental result with the theoretical calculation. The quantity which defines the probability of given reaction is called the cross section of nucleus. Reaction is denoted by a variation of cross section with thickness of target. Let us consider a beam of particle of flux I, number of particles passing a unit area per unit time incident. The thin sheet of the material having thickness dx and face area a. Let us Also assume that thickness is so small that none of nuclei of thin sheet overlap each other. Thus, each nucleus has an equal probability to cause a nuclear reaction with the incident beams. Let sigma can be the effective area of the largest nucleus. This area is such that when the incident particle cross this area, reaction always takes place. Let n be the number of target nuclei per cc in the thin sheet. Number of nuclei in the sheet per unit area n गुणे dx. Total number of area is equal to a गुणे n गुणे dx. Sheet, so each nucleus has effective area sigma, so the total effective area available of reaction a cross n cross a sigma cross df. फ्रैक्शनल इफेक्टिव एरिया एफ इक्वल टू सिग्मा गुणे ए गुणे एन गुणे डीएक्स बटा के ए सिग्मा गुणे एन गुणे डीएक्स. व्हेन a projectile part of this reaction it is observed by the target nucleus, so the flux incident particle decreases. If v fractional effective area f is large, then the corresponding decreases in flux I will be large, the vice versa. This can be summarized that fractional charge in flux equal to di bata k is equal to minus 1 गुणे sigma गुणे dx. Minus negative sign have been introduced because a dx increases the flux di increasing, assuming that x is equal to 0 I is equal to I naught. Interacting equation with respect to x I is equal to I naught e घाते minus n x. Thus the flux of incident beam exponential decreases as thickness of sheet increase. Units of cross section of nuclear reaction are units of area. The cross section of normally very small 10 घाते minus 27 to 10 घाते minus 28 meter square. Since this value of this it is convenient to use a unit called barn. 1 barn b is equal to 10 घाते minus 28 m square. Smaller units of cross section are millibarn, mb, microbarn, ub, etc. 1 mb is equal to 10 घाते minus 31 m square. 1 microbarn is equal to 10 घाते minus 34 m square. Nuclear fission, the nuclear process of breakdown of the nucleon of a heavy atom into two more than equal fragments with the release of a large amount of energy known as fission. When uranium is bombarded with neutrons, a uranium nucleus captures a slow neutrons, forming an unstable compound nucleus. The compound nucleus split into two nearly equal parts of some neutrons are also in this process. The systemic equation for fission process 92 यूरेनियम 234 plus 0 n1 plus 92 यूरेनियम 236 tends to x plus y plus neutrons. 92 यूरेनियम 236 is highly unstable isotope and x and y are fission fragments. These fragments are not uniquely determined because there are various combinations of fragments possible and a number of neutrons are given of typically fission reaction. 92 यूरेनियम 235 plus 0 n1 tends to 92 यूरेनियम 236 tends to 56 बेरिलियम 140 plus 36 क्रिप्टॉन 92 plus 0 n1 plus q. 92 यूरेनियम 235 plus 0 n1 tends to 92 यूरेनियम 236 tends to 54 जिनॉन 140 plus 38 sr 92 plus 2 0 n1 plus q, where q is energy released. 0 n1 92 यूरेनियम 235 92 यूरेनियम 235 56 बेरिलियम 140 0 n1 36 क्रिप्टॉन 92 न्यूक्लियस फिजन. एनर्जी रिलीज्ड in fission. We know that the process of nuclear fission a large amount of energy is released. This energy is produced because the original mass of nucleus is greater than the sum of masses of two product produced after fission. The difference between these masses before after fission is converted into energy according to Einstein's equation is equal to mc square. Energy released by 1 kg uranium, number of atom 1 kg uranium 6.023 गुणे 10 बटा 235. Energy released in one fission is equal to 200 मेगावोल्ट. Energy is equal to 6.023 गुणे 10 26 बटा 235 गुणे 200 इक्वल टू 5.128 गुणे 10⁻26 मेगावोल्ट इक्वल टू 5.128 गुणे 10⁻26 गुणे 1.6 गुणे 10⁻13 जूल इक्वल टू 5.128 गुणे 10⁻26 गुणे 1.6 गुणे 10⁻13 बटा 3.6 गुणे 10⁻6 किलोवोल्ट इक्वल टू 2.26 गुणे 10⁻7 किलोवोल्ट। Thus, the energy released in fission 1 kg of uranium 235 is 226 गुणे 10⁻27 kilowatt hour. Due to this reason, nuclear energy is being generated of electricity. Bohr and Wheeler's theory of nuclear fission. Bohr and Wheeler successfully explained the phenomena of the nuclear fission on liquid drop model. A liquid drop has spherical form due to internal molecular form responsible for surface tension. According to this theory, an excited liquid drop may oscillate in the number of waves on applying a large external process on the sphere may be changed into ellipsoid if the external force spherically compound nucleus ellipsoid dumbbell shape critical state nuclear separation neutron nuclear fission according to Bohr and Wheeler's theory. ये है सब हो रहा है insufficient large the ellipsoid may change into dumbbell shape and may even back and the narrow ends into the portion as shown in figure 2. The nuclei that result from fission are called fission fragment chain reaction. A chain reaction is self propagating process in which number of neutrons goes the multiplying rapidly almost in geometric propagation during fission till whole of fissional material disintegration. 0n1 92 uranium 235 0n1 uranium 0n1 0n1 0n 0n 0 chain reaction. Nuclear reaction. We know that during the fission of uranium 235 a amount of energy is released. The atoms bombs in due to uncontrolled chain reaction. A very large amount of energy is liberated within the extremely small interval of time. Hence, the not possible to direct energy this energy of any useful purpose. But in a nuclear reactor the chain reaction is brought number under control condition. If the chain reaction input is put under control after some times a steady state is stabilized. Under a steady state the rate of energy production also attain constant level. Such a derived in which energy is released at the given rate is known as nuclear reactor. Nuclear reactor cannot 5 main elements. पहला the fusible material fuel, दूसरा modulator, तीसरा neutron reflector, चौथा cooling system, पांचवा the safety of control system, सातवां the fissional substance. The commonly the fissional material are the uranium isotopes uranium 233 uranium 235, the thorium isotope thorium 232 and the platinum isotope platinum 239 platinum 240 and platinum 241. Modulator. The function of the modulator is shown down. Highly energetic neutrons produced in process of fission uranium 235. The thermal energy heavy water D2O graphite beryllium etc are used. Modulator. Ideally modulator have low atomic weight and low absorption cross section for neutron. तीसरा neutron reflector. By the use of reflector on the surface of reactor leakage of neutrons can be very much reduced as the neutrons flux is in the interior can be increased. Material of high scattering cross section and low absorption cross section are good reflector. चौथा cooling system. The cooling system remove the heat enveloped in the reactor core. This heat is enveloped from the key of the fission fragment when they are solid drawn in the fissional substance and modulator. The coolant of heat transfer agents water, steam, HE, CO2, air, and certain modular metal alloyed is pumped through the reactor core, then through a heat exchanger. The coolant transfer heat to secondary thermal system or reactor. Pachma control or safety system. The safety system enables the chain reaction to be controlled and prevent it from spontaneously running away. This is accomplished by pushing control rod into the reaction core. The rod all material bronze and cadmium having a large neutron absorption cross section. These rods absorbed the neutrons and hence the cut down the reactively. By pushing in the rods, the operation of reactor can be made by die down. By pulling them out of build up the safety system protect the space surrounding the reactor against intensive neutron flux and gamma rays exciting the reactor core. This is achieved by surrounding the reactor with massive walls, the concrete and the leads which would absorb neutrons and gamma ray. Power reactor. The heat generator is nuclear reactor is used producing power in a nuclear power plant. Figure 4 show the components of a power reactor. A quantity of enriched uranium in the form of pure metal of solution of a soluble salt in water constitute the center of the heat energy source. A large quantity heat produced in the fission produce. The cadmium rods regulated the temperature and predetermined value if it desired to brings the temperature. The cadmium rods and are pushed down further as the absorbed more neutrons. If the temperature has to be raised, the cadmium rods are pulled up a little. A flood the circumvented through the shielded reactor and heat exchanger. The hard flood while blowing through the heat exchanger convert water into steam. The steam produced runs conventional turbine into produce electricity. Control rods, hot liquid heat exchanger, steam turbine, electric generator, water pump, condenser, uranium containing nuclear reaction, breeder reaction. If the thermal reaction core is uranium 235 fuel surrounding by the blanknet of a fertile material U238 can be converted into fuel reactor of this type of called fuel producing reactor. The reaction are follow 92 uranium 238 plus 0N1 equal to 92 uranium 239 plus gamma. This is followed by 92 uranium 239 plus 93 neutron 239 plus beta minus 93 NP 239 is also radioactive. It emits beta particle to form plutonium 93 NP 239 tends to 92 plutonium 239 plus beta minus plus gamma. This process of producing one type of fissional material Pu-239 from the non-fissionable material U-238 is called breeding. The reactor is breeder reactor. This breeding reaction is the fertilized material 90 thorium 232 or 90 thorium 232 plus N 90 thorium 233 plus beta minus 22 मिनट 91 Pa 233 बीटा माइनस 27 92 यूरेनियम 233 टी हाफ इसको 1.6 दिखाते 5 years. Use the nuclear reactor. Nuclear power nuclear reactor are used in production of electric energy. दूसरा production of radio isotope. Nuclear reactor are useful in the produce a large number of radiosopes to produce radio isotope. The suitable component are dry in the center of reactor cores where flux neutrons may well be more than 10⁻16 मीटर स्क्वायर प्रति सेकेंड. सोडियम 24 in manufacture in 11Na23 plus 0N1 tends to 11Na24 star. Scientific research: the reactor produces a number of radioactive material needed for research purposes. The reactor provides a high source of neutrons. Using these neutrons, several useful radioisotopes have been artificially produced. Several nuclear reactions have been studied. We may also study the effect of neutrons. Biological tissue reactors may be used in study of radiation damage. Nuclear fusion: in this process, two or more light nuclei combine together to form a single heavy. For example, when the hydrogen nuclei are fused together, a helium nuclei is formed. The mass of single nuclei formed is always less than the sum of masses of individual light nuclei. The difference of its converted into the energy according to Einstein's equation is equal to mc square. The source of stellar energy: the sun is one of the innumerable stars. The sun radiates 3.8 जूल of the energy each second. The origin of the tremendous energy is neither chemical nor gravitational. The fusion of proton is supposed to the release the energy sun and in other stars. Carbon nitrogen cycle: the nitrogen cycle follows C612 plus NH1 tends to 7n nitrogen plus gamma. Equation number 1: 7n13 plus 6n13 plus n0 6c13 plus 1h1 equal to 7n13 14 plus gamma 7n14 equal to n1h1 8 tends to 8 0 15 plus gamma 0 15 tends to 7n15 plus n0 plus gamma 7n15 plus 1h1 tends to 6c12 plus 0 2 helium 4 6. This is cycle C12 acts like crystal. Proton cycle: in pp chain 2p first fuse to produce the deuterium nucleus, which combine with the another protons yield He3 to He3. Nuclei interact from He4 and 2 proton. 1h1 plus 1h1 tends to 2h2 tends to 1h2 plus 1 E0 plus V plus 0.42 megavolt. 1h1 plus 1h1 tends to 2h3 1h2 plus 1h1 tends to 2h3 tends to 2h3 plus gamma plus 5.5 megavolt. 2He3 plus 2He3 is equal to 4Be6 tends to 2He4 plus 1h1 plus 1h1 plus 12.8 megavolt. 1h1 tends to 2He4 plus 2 plus E0 plus 2 beta plus 2 gamma plus 27.7 megavolt. When boron's 5b10 is bombarded by neutrons, alpha particles are emitted. The resulting nucleus has masses 7. The unit of nuclear reaction cross section is d Harms. In nuclear reaction given by 2Xe4 plus 7n14 tends to QXP plus 1H1 oxygen of mass 17. When A4Be9 is bombarded with alpha particle, one of the product of the nuclei transmission is 6C12, the other is 0n1. The nuclear process 6C11 tends to 5B11 plus E plus X. X stand for neutrino. In the nucleus reaction 91 uranium 239 tends to 93 Np 239 plus X. X stand for electrons. In the nuclear reaction 2He4 tends to 7 N14 tends to 8 oxygen 17 plus X. X stand for protons. Ne22 nucleus after absorbing energy decay in particles and as known nucleus. The unknown nucleus a nitrogen stripping and pick up reaction a direct reaction. Which physical quantity is not conserved in the nuclear reaction? The magnetic dipole moment. The stable nucleus that has a radius half that Fe56 is Li7. The nucleus radius 8 oxygen 16 is 3 Fermi. Then at 82 Pb 206 7 Fermi. 13वां द 92 यूरेनियम 235 यूरेनियम न्यूक्लियस रिलीज्ड एनर्जी इज सी 200 मेगावोल्ट। 14 द एनर्जी लाइबरेटेड इन न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन ऑफ 1 kg यूरेनियम इज बी 8×10⁻13 जूल। 15वां एनर्जी रिलीज्ड एट फ्यूजन ऑफ 92 यूरेनियम 235 इज 200 मेगावोल्ट। 16वां सन ऑब्टेन रेडिएंट एनर्जी डी फ्यूजन प्रोसेस। 17वां फ्यूजन ऑफ न्यूक्लियस इन अचीव्ड बाय बम्बार्डिंग इट विथ ए न्यूट्रॉन्स। 18वां द फिनोमिना ऑफ न्यूक्लियस फ्यूजन कैन बी एक्सप्लेन्ड बाय ए लिक्विड ड्रॉप मॉडल। 19वां द मोस्ट स्टेबल एलिमेंट्स ऑफ न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ एटॉमिक नंबर 2004 में 92। 20वां द इम्पेरिकल फार्मूला ऑफ न्यूक्लियर रेडियस R=R0 1/3। 21वां न्यूक्लियस रिएक्टर इज बेस्ड ऑन सी न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन। 22वां द मेन सोर्स ऑफ सोलर एनर्जी न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन। 23वां द प्रोसेस ऑफ बाई हैवी न्यूक्लियस स्प्लिट लाइट न्यूक्लियस इज नोन एज फ्यूजन ए फ्यूजन। 24वां द परसेंटेज ऑफ मास चेंज इनटू एनर्जी इन फ्यूजन ऑर्डर ऑफ 0.1%। 25वां द फिनोमेना ऑफ सिंथेसिस ऑफ टू लाइटर न्यूक्लियाई इज हैवियर वन कॉल्ड न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन। 26वां द एनर्जी जनरेटेड इन स्टार मेनली ड्यू टू सी फ्यूजन ऑफ लाइट यूरेनियम 238 कैन बी फ्यूजन बाय फास्ट न्यूट्रॉन्स। 28वां आर्टिफिशियल न्यूक्लियर ट्रांसम्यूलेशन वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय रदरफोर्ड। 29वां ए सर्टन radioactive decay has electron is emitted it's come out from C nucleus on the atom। 30वां which of the following nuclear change in correct C 45 CD 173 plus 0N1 tends to 48 CD 112 plus minus 1 E0। 31वां which of the following particle is used bombard 13 A 137 27 to give 15 P 30 and the neutrons C alpha। 32वां which of the missing particle is in the following nucleus reaction 3 Li7 plus 1 H2 plus tends to 3 Li8 plus question mark proton। 33वां which of the following nuclear reaction occurred in the nature of formation of beryllium a 2 Li6 plus 0N1 tends to 2 He4 plus 1 H3। 34वां on bombarding 7 and 14 with alpha particle the nuclei of product formed after the release of proton will be 8 oxygen 17। 35वां for the nucleus reaction 12 Mg 24 plus D tends to alpha plus question mark the missing nuclei 11 Na 22। 36वां the nucleus reaction which of the non accompanied with emission of neutron is 6C12 plus 1 H1 tends to 7 nitrogen 13। 37वां when 17C35 undergoes N, P reaction in radioisotope formation is 16S35। 38वां the number of particles emitted by 54 रेडियम 215 times to 82 Pb 206 is 3। 39वां how many alpha and beta particle emitted ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन 92 यूरेनियम 238 times to 92 यूरेनियम 234 C1,2। 40वां which of the following particle is emitted from the nuclear reaction 13 एल्युमिनियम 27 plus 2He4 times to 14 P30 plus C1H1। 41वां how many alpha particle are emitted in the nuclear transformation 54 PO 215 times to 82 PB 211 plus question mark A B1 complete।